This is not our drill. I repeat, this is not our drill. We have collected more information on these beings. They are incredibly intelligent. The best way to survive an attack from one of the creatures is to avoid them at all costs. If you encounter one, it is recommended that you close your eyes and surrender. It will be less painful this way. They are trying to mimic us. They are trying to camouflage. One of such creatures was found pretending to fight on our side. They were out on the battlefield. We did not know this until it refused to kill one of its own. Do not attempt to help out on the battlefield. It is useless. Do not trust anyone. They might not be human. For the time being, it is recommended that you do not come into contact with anyone outside of your bunker. If anyone attempts to enter, hide and prepare to defend yourself. Stay safe.